Guys, we are feeding dogs. Our mission is to feed 3 dogs in our apartment. So we are feeding. Day 2, this is day 1. I had no charge in my phone, so I couldn't take. Day 2, I'm giving that lady this one. Pedigree. Pedigree. Hi. Hi, baby. Hey, baby. Oi, oi. Alle. Here. Alle. Here. Some have been spilled here. Golden Retriever. Tucker Buns. This is Tucker Buns. Wow. Hi, baby. Therefore, they are street dogs, but still they are close to our heart. So I never treat them bad. I always treat them next to my heart. We'll go see what happens. Where does it go? Oh, it did 2 bathroom. So it has been eaten fully, and it's, I think, look. Guys, over there the dog is gone, and I would like to say something to you guys, which I think I have seen in my life. It is that generally people don't feed street dogs. They actually hit them. They hit them and they do wrong things with them. So actually, you must not do that. If like I have Sweetie with me, okay. So Sweetie I feed, but from past 2 days I've been feeding that dog. Yesterday night also I fed dogs, but these dogs are like nobody is there for them. Like for Sweetie there is me, Anirudh, Parthiban, my mom. So for Sweetie 4 of us are there, but for ourselves for them nobody is there. So they happily, when I that pedigree was 100 rupees half gram, and I bought 20 rupees 2 packets. When I bought that, they felt very happy, and even I was happy with their reaction, because like today actually it was there that near the office. I actually fed it near the office, and then today when I went to the office it was not there. But then when I told, baby where are you, baby where are you, baby, it just came off like that. So that is the love between dogs, whether they are stray dogs or your own dog. Dogs are same. Treat them good. Please treat them good. Feed them food. Give them water. I take 1 glass of water and some lot of quantity of pedigree I take, and then they generally I don't feed pedigree to Sweetie. I feed Royal Canine to Sweetie, but I feed this pedigree because I think pedigree is enough for street dogs. So with this I end up the video. Like the video, like, share and subscribe. This is it from Short Time with Saps.